How to add transitions between clips. First of all, open the app on your device and create a new project or open an existing one. Once your video clips are loaded on the timeline, tap on the point between two clips where you want to add a transition. Next, browse through the available transitions style such as fade, slide or zoom and tap on the one you want to apply. You can adjust the duration of the transition to make it faster or slower depending on the style of your video. Preview your video to ensure the transition looks smooth and enhances the flow between clips. You can apply different transitions to other clips in your project to create a polished and professional final video. Now you know how to add transitions between clips in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.